Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing both devices. Update the Brezza head unit and your iPhone. Plug the lightning cable into the car's USB port. Use a certified cable to avoid data-only limits. On the iPhone, go to Settings General CarPlay and allow the vehicle. Once done, accept prompts on the Brezza screen and tap the CarPlay icon. This initial handshake establishes a secure connection and grants the car permission to control navigation and audio. Next, configure how CarPlay behaves in daily use. On your iPhone, arrange apps so navigation sits where you expect. That reduces distraction while driving. Make sure Siri is enabled and allowed when locked, because voice control keeps your eyes on the road. In the Brezza audio settings, set microphone gain and speaker balance so calls and prompts are audible. Once configured, test a route and a voice command. This verifies app order, voice response, and media playback. Finish by confirming persistent behavior. Start navigation, stream audio, and accept a phone call to ensure seamless handoff. If CarPlay fails, restart the iPhone and the Brezza head unit. This clears temporary USB or Bluetooth glitches. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled if using wireless CarPlay, and check cable integrity for wired setups. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone and repair. This often resolves stubborn pairing records and restores reliable CarPlay operation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.